Hey guys, what is up? It is Sean here, bringing you guys another weather reel. And in today's weather reel, we'll be looking at the current storm, which has been stayed the same, so no more southern movement that has been going on. So let's get started. Let's get started with the GFS model. So here we are looking at our lovely GFS model. And if we move this along and see. We do have a secondary storm that then moves up. And then this is the main problem on why more coastal regions won't get snow. What would need to happen is 42 hours out, December 15th, we would need to have a low form right here. So transfer the power from here all the way down here. But if you watch what happens, we do have a low form. Now, what's happening is if we look at in between the 540 and the 546 line, we have this ridge. That's where the storm will want to go. So we move this along, and yup, the storm does go there. Now, by this time, the secondary system's already impacting the coast. And with that being said, we don't have a coastal low formed right now, so we don't have any time to do any time for cold air to rush in, and as you can see, just moves out. And another thing I do want to show you guys is the the Climate Prediction Center. Very cold still. And then it gets better 3 to 4 weeks. Let me clear my drawing real quick. So, and temperature, you can see high risk. So very cold. Precipitation, no hazard. Snow. This is where I want to show you guys. Climate Prediction Center has a slight risk of snow for here, for northeast, and this Canadian model does show that with its recent model run. So, we look at the Canadian model real quick. Does this have, actually, let's look at the GFS model. 108 hours out. What is it showing? I'm still in snowfall mode when I was looking at it earlier. Where's it? Precipitation type and rate. Alright, let me move this along. See, secondary low forms, but then just moves up, producing very heavy snow for Wisconsin and parts of Michigan. And then we move this along. Then it just rides out. It says, peace out, everybody. Alright, so back to the Canadian model. So we move this along. Doesn't form in time. This has to track a little more inland. And then it stalls near Maine. So we move this along. This is what I want to show you. This right here. This is in the time frame. And we have a Miller A, I think, type nor'easter forming. So snowfall totals from this is already insane. If we go to the 24th, then northeast, this would have a white Christmas for all of this region, and the storm hasn't even rolled up the coast yet. So except for that southern box as usual, because we never get snow here. But it's showing a major storm. If this stays for the 23rd, it's gonna be a lot of snow. And I don't know if you guys remember, but back in November, end of November, we had a type of nor'easter that what happened was it became all rain and snow for Central due to what happened because the temperatures would just be warmer because it was November. This is practically the same storm, but you can see we do have major snowfall rates in effect. So I wish this would go out more, but it doesn't. And new Marlin doesn't come out for a while. Didn't mean to grab a sounding. 14. So that's gonna wrap up today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. And in the next video, I'll be continuing to track this upcoming storm. That'll probably be the last time that I'm tracking it because that's when the storm is moving in. If there are any significant changes in the forecast, I will post a video. And I'll see you guys in the next one. We'll continue to watch near Christmas for the potential of snowfall. We have a slight risk of heavy snowfall. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.